Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn off showing notifications when your iPhone is locked. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to find notifications. Here you can see it, and here you will find first line show preview. So just click here, and here you can see that now it's always. So it means that it's showing preview of every notification in when my device is unlocked and locked. It not depends on it. So here you need to choose when unlocked, or for example never. So if you choose when unlocked, it will show you your preview when you unlocked your device, and when you choose never, it never show your preview even if your device is unlocked. So just go back, and it successfully changed our settings. Here you can see that it successfully changed and saved it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.